Hey everybody, my name is Nick. Today we will talk about BlueStacks 5 and I wanna tell you how to completely uninstall a game or an app in BlueStacks 5. So it's pretty easy. For example, I'm gonna delete this game, Warships Mobile. So the first way how you can easily do it, just click on System Apps, find here Settings, click on it, then find here Storage, click on it, and click on Apps. Okay, and here is the game, Warships Mobile. So I wanna delete it, and now you need to click right on the game's icon, right here. And finally, we can uninstall it. Just click on the uninstall button to completely uninstall it. Or the second way, how you can easily do it, go back to the home page. Now hover your mouse over the game's icon and hold it. Okay, then you will see this menu. Here you can easily uninstall the app or the game. So click on uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? Click on OK. Uninstall finished. And yeah, the game was completely deleted. Hope maybe it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the How to PC channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.